Our world is becoming more and more digital, and making money online is simpler than ever. Additionally, the COVID-19 epidemic has considerably increased the e-commerce market. Online shopping and the selling of goods and services are becoming more and more popular. This video is for you if you're interested in finding out how to generate money online. In this video, we will talk about 3 ways to make money online from home easily. 1. Build an e-commerce website. One of the best ways to earn money is through the sale of goods online. Due to its benefits, e-commerce is becoming more and more popular among brick-and-mortar stores. Additionally to reaching a wider market, e-commerce stores have reduced startup expenses. For instance, you can cut operational costs as you won't need numerous retail locations. Selecting the store's specialization is crucial when starting an online store. If you're undecided, looking into popular products will assist you decide which kinds to sell. The ease of setting up an online store has never been greater thanks to the growing popularity of e-commerce platforms. Choosing the appropriate platform is essential because it will impact both your overall experience and that of your clients. The 4 top e-commerce systems for creating your own online store are listed below. Xyro, a user-friendly website builder with a wide range of AI-powered tools and free themes to help with business operations. WooCommerce. WooCommerce is an open-source platform made specifically for WordPress that provides all the website functionality necessary to create the store of your dreams. PrestaShop. This e-commerce platform provides powerful analytics and product management tools. Shopify, a popular choice for building online storefronts for businesses that include abandoned cart recovery and SEO features. Think about things like inventory, warehousing, packing, and shipping while creating a business plan. You might additionally require a business license depending on your business strategy and operational locations. One of them is a sales tax permit, as well as registration papers and authorizations from local, state, and federal authorities. 2. Open a dropshipping store. A B2C business strategy known as dropshipping allows people to sell goods online through an online store while employing a different supplier to handle order processing and fulfillment. Since creating a dropshipping store doesn't require the headache of dealing with inventory and shipping, it is simpler than operating a typical e-commerce store. Similar to starting a standard online store, starting a dropshipping business requires picking a specialty and an e-commerce platform. The primary distinction is that dropshippers must also locate the ideal provider. To put it another way, a supplier's quality can make or kill a company. Here are several websites that can help you connect with dependable providers to get you started. Spocket. Thousands of vendors are available worldwide, and systems like WooCommerce and Shopify offer simple connectivity. Modulist. As you curate your online store with products from multiple international sellers, use the profit calculator on the site to decide prices. SaleWho. Browse through thousands of suppliers who have been thoroughly screened in a variety of product categories, and peruse the community forum for dropshipping advice. 3. Create an online course. By 2026, it is anticipated that the global e-learning industry would grow to $336.98 billion. It's a great moment to enter the online course industry if you are an expert in a particular field and enjoy selecting educational content. Digital courses are available in a variety of formats, including simple PDF downloads and videos. Computer skills, health and wellness, business and entrepreneurship, finance and investment, and personal development are some of the themes covered in popular online courses. Joining an e-learning platform or developing an e-learning website are the 2 major ways to earn money online by selling digital courses. Although the latter offers more opportunities to experiment with new formats and monetization strategies, the former is simpler to complete. A WordPress LMS plugin can be used to develop an e-learning website. After that, you can either construct a membership system to keep online courses behind a paywall or sell them as digital items. If you wish to test out a few e-learning platforms before creating an e-learning site, take into account the following. On a variety of topics, Udemy.com provides seminars, exams, coding challenges, and discussion boards. Skillshare. Excellent for promoting artistic abilities and online art classes. Teachable. Create as many courses as you want using any of its membership levels. Additionally, creators can submit an application to have their live events and courses highlighted on Spotlight, an e-learning marketplace run by Teachable and Hotmart. Podia, a website that facilitates the sale of digital downloads, memberships, and online courses. Both standalone and drip courses can be made by users. Additionally, they can group related courses and sell them as a package. Pathwrite, a platform for designing, teaching, and learning courses that emphasize active learning through concrete stages. I hope you liked what you watched. Subscribe channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos.